So you can be sitting or standing for this. You push into me, just fists, and he gives me a force. I feel the reaction inside my body. I pull my hands away momentarily. I bring the earth energy up. Now he's floating, he pushes in. I just keep that earth element passing through me as he pushes. So I'm feeling a structure, I'm relaxing this wave up, and that's neutralizing. Now he gives me more, and I keep passing it from the ground. Now, in extending this, there's a pathway back at the same time, and I need to have that backward pathway to get rid of all the resistance in my body. Because as I pick the energy up and neutralize, I'm going to have tension in my shoulders, there's going to be holding, and I've got to sink and relax that down and neutralize my own body to bring the energy up. So there's a wave the energy up to get into my partner from the ground, and then there's relaxing and sinking down at the same time, and sort of like a balancing act. Sometimes you just wave it out and it's all done and you didn't do any sinking at all. Other times there's like, I've got a half sink and a half extend for it to work better, and then each person, you figure it out, what's the best way to do this. Then he just digs in more, gives me more strength, more, and I just keep building more energy to neutralize, and you get this neutralizing power. Now, a pure neutralization would be as he pushes in, he's just there and stuck to the ground. I have the tendency to extend a bit too much, and his feet come up. So if his feet are going up, that's not real neutralizing, that's me extending too far. I should just be sticking him to the ground and he's stuck and he can't move. And that's a proper neutralization. Nothing wrong with extending there. It just builds a different intrinsic energy and a platform for other stuff. Thank you.